Hello and welcome to another MoTeC webinar. My name is Mike Shield. Today I'll be conducting a quick start guide to dials with nonlinear segment angles using Display Creator. Previously we made a linear dial in Display Creator. Now I'm going to edit this to make it have nonlinear segment angles. So what's the best approach here? Well, for me, the best thing to do is to launch a program like Excel and just expand this out. Okay, so we have a dial and we know the start angle is minus 110 and the end angle is 80. So what I'm going to do here is basically just put some labels in. We have tick marks and we have tick angles. Okay, let's just extend those out a little bit, give ourselves a little bit of room. Okay, tick marks we have going from 0 up to 8. Okay, so just make that happen. The tick angles, we know that this one starts at minus 110 and this one is going to go to 80. I'm going to actually put it in the cell next to it just as a reference point. Let's just pull this in so we've got a little bit more space. There we go. Okay, so that's my checkpoint. So basically what I'm wanting to do is figure out, okay, how many segments do we have? So even though the segments are going to get bigger as we go around, they're factored. Alright, so basically here what I'm going to do is take the sum of these numbers. We have 36 and we know that we have 190 degrees to play with. Now you know that if we're in here we can always edit this, so we could change this to 90 and you'll see that the bar chart updates. We can make it 100. So once you've sort of created your style, once you've created your style and got your tick all configured, say you wanted to have a gear here and then later on you decided to take it out, you could fill that space by simply increasing your end angle. I'm going to go back and just do this with the same angles as all the others. Okay, so we've got 190 degrees and 36 segments. So that will tell us that the segment factor is 5.278 actually. Okay, so this one is this tick mark angle is going to be equal to this angle plus this number of times our factor. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll just put some dollar signs here which will make it stay fixed on this cell while we expand the formula down. So if this is all correct, when I get down to 8 you'll see that those numbers match, which they do. Okay, so this is telling me what the tick angles should be for each of the tick marks. So to get to those tick marks, just extend the Elements tab up. So the first tick mark angle is minus 110. The second tick mark angle we want to be minus 104. So just Control Copy or Control C and Control V, paste. Next angle, Control Copy and paste. We'll do that for all of these angles. Next angle, copy, paste, next angle, copy, paste, next angle, copy, paste, next angle, copy, paste. Okay, so you can see your nonlinear segment angle dial here. Looking at it, the one here is a little bit of a problem, creating, it's not visually nice. What I'm going to do is just open up that tick mark, select the number, and turn its opacity to 0. And there you have it, a nonlinear segment angle dial. That concludes today's quick start guide to dials with nonlinear segment angles.